Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Happy Independence Day. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Listening and Speaking, we are going to learn expressing likes and dislikes. Before this, in English for Grade 1, you have learned how to express joy while playing. So, we are going to elaborate this practice through this SLO, that is to demonstrate use of common conventions and the dynamics of oral interaction in group to express likes and dislikes. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 216. It could be that you dislike something when it is good for you. And it could be that you like something when it is bad for you. Allah knows and you do not know. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, being human, we are not perfect. So it is possible that we like something, it's very nice, but it's not good for us. The example is junk food, and something which you don't like, but it is very good for that. So Allah is telling you like something you dislike. So whatever Allah has created for us, we should avail it. And how should we find it's good for us or not? It is through the sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So whatever our beloved Prophet liked, we should like that, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has set our beloved Prophet an example that whatever he liked, that is definitely good for us. Okay, so we will try, even in eating, we'll try to find out whatever our beloved Prophet liked to eat, we will inshallah like to eat, and when we'll start eating, we'll inshallah start liking as well. Okay, do you understand? So this is what the verse is telling us, that something you like, maybe it's not good for you, and something you don't like, it's good for you. So we should find out, especially in our eating, we should follow the sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? Okay, my dear children, now you tell me, what do you know about expressing likes and dislikes? What do you know about it? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, have you answered this question? Okay. So, how do we express? We use phrase I like to express our likings, and I do not like to express our dislikings. So whatever you like, you will say I like to eat, I like to write, etc. Okay. So for example, I like pudding. So you like pudding, you will say I like pudding. I like custard with jelly. Yummy, right? Okay. I like boating. I do not like surfing. Yes, it's dangerous, especially for kids. Do you know surfing? It's on a surfing board. You like surf on the surface of water. So it's a special skill. We need to learn it. Otherwise, of course, we are not going to like it. All right. I do not like to play football. I like to play hockey. Yes, I like to play hockey because hockey is our national game. Right? So, beta, these are the examples. How do we express our likings and dislikings? So, one thing which is important, we should not be harsh for anything. I do not like this. No, no, no. Always use polite expressions to even tell, no, I do not like to play, for example, football or any other game which you don't like. Okay. And if someone else likes it, it's okay. Everyone has their own choice. Do you understand? Okay. So, let's see what does your book say about it. Listening and speaking, expressing likes and dislikes. So read the following sentences aloud and notice the expression of likes and dislikes. I like helping others. Very good. Like a good boy, like a good child. I like helping others. Good job. I like doing exercise. It is also good. I like doing exercise. I do not like wearing jeans. Okay, fine, because maybe jeans are not comfortable. It's not a comfortable dress. I do not like wearing it. Okay, and I do not like movies. Yeah, it's wastage of time. I like to read a book instead of watching movie. Do you understand, beta? So even selecting your liking and disliking, you should be smart to like good things. All right. Okay. Are you clear with the concept? How do we express our likings and dislikings? Okay. So I like wearing shalwar kameez. Yes, it's our national dress. I do not like junk food. Yes, I should not like. Eating junk food is not sunnah and it's not healthy. Why should I like? I'm smart enough. I don't like eating junk food. Right? Are you clear with the concept? Okay, we are going to practice it through an activity. What you will do? Your teacher will make you pairs and they're going to make sentences using the food and drinks items. Okay, you will select the food and drink items which your teacher has written on board. Model with a student. Your teacher will first talk to a student so that you understand what it is. Teacher will say, for example, banana. Any food item she can select from board and the student has to make a sentence, I like bananas. The answer should be student's own choice. Teachers kindly make, like, if students like, they will say like, otherwise they can say I don't like. Then in pairs, students take turns in choosing a food item of their partner to make a sentence about. For example, student A selects apples and B says I like apples. B selects carrot. Maybe student A does not like it. He says, I do not like carrots. This is how you will keep talking to each other by selecting one food item. Okay. So again, the tip is you like all the healthy food and do not like junk food. Okay. So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity and then come back. Yes, my students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework, and in your homework what you're going to do is a project. You will make a poster of the things you like to do. So you are going to make a poster of your likings, whatever you like to do. You can paste a picture, you can draw and write a simple sentence about that. Okay, and here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, here is a word bank. You will keep choosing the things which you like and you will keep writing here, and the things which you don't like you will write in this column. So what we have learned today, we learned to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express likes and dislikes. In this way, we achieved our SLO to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group to express likes and dislikes. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.